Supermoons of 2024, when and how to watch them. A supermoon is slightly larger and brighter than a normal full moon. This phenomenon occurs when the moon's perigee, or the point in the orbit of the moon, is closest to the Earth. Occasionally, this coincides with a full moon, and at that point, it's also known as a supermoon. According to space.com, eclipse expert and former NASA astrophysicist Fred Espanak said that there will be 4 supermoons in 2024, which are expected to happen in August, September, October, and November. Espanak defines a supermoon as a full moon within 90% of its nearest approach to Earth. Based on his claims, the supermoon of 2024 is scheduled to happen on October 17th at 7:26 a.m. ET, which would be 4:56 p.m. in IST. Supermoons are a common phenomenon, and one can expect 3 to 4 supermoons each year. However, the word supermoon came into practice only in the last 4 decades. It got attention in 2016 after 3 supermoons occurred in a row. According to a report, the next supermoon will take place on August 19th at 2:26 p.m. ET, which is 11:56 p.m. in India. This is the first supermoon of the year. Interestingly, the previous supermoon was a rare occurrence as it was mixed with a blue moon and took place on the full moon of August 30th, 2023. Now, what causes a supermoon? The moon's orbit around the Earth isn't a perfect circle, around 3,082,900 kilometers away. Its apogee and perigee vary every month due to gravitational forces from the Earth, Sun, and other planets. NASA's Noah Petro, in an interview with Space.com, confirmed that these forces cause the moon's orbit to be irregular. For a supermoon, the moon's required to be at its nearest point in its 27-day orbit and fully illuminated by the sun, and this happens every 29.5 days. This alignment is rare and occurs only a few times a year because the moon's orbit changes orientation as Earth orbits the sun, averting monthly supermoons. During supermoons, the moon unfolds around 30% brighter and 14% larger than its normal size, while experts claim that it's difficult to notice the difference with the naked eye.